Arabic. So good morning everyone, this is KMS. I'm back again with another monologue. In today's monologue, we are riding with the Victory Motorcycle Group of Western New York. Today's ride, we are headed up near Rochester, New York. I know we're going to Letchworth State Park and I think a place called Wiscoy Falls. Wiscoy Falls. I probably have that wrong anyway, but I'll post pictures of everything right there. Alright, here we go. Oh, I guess this is what they mean when you say you can see it. Alright, I'm going to cut off here and get my GoPro. Okay. Look at all the bikes. Oh, wow. Yeah. That's down there. And that's where we're headed. Alright, we've done this before. We are at Wiscoy Falls. And the trail is actually to the left. Not the trail, the falls is to the left. Compared to the other times. Wow. Oh, this is slippery. Yeah. He doesn't care. Yeah, my bad. Yeah, I don't care. Type of bike rides I like. Time on and off the bike, can't beat it. Oh, this is beautiful. All right, we got a lot of nice shots. We're on our way back to the bikes now. Had a great time. Hopefully those shots all turn out. I didn't know anything about this place. I never heard of it, but it was a welcome diversion. Now we're probably like 15-20 minutes from Letchworth State Park, so we probably want to turn around and go back the other way, but it was well worth it. Well worth it.
Recording.
There you go, Portageville. Alright, this is where we had our lunch. This building right here, on the Letchworth Pines. That's where we were for lunch. And I'm going to say up here is going to be Letchworth State Park. Let's see what we get. Letchworth State Park. Next right.
Recording.
All right, we are now riding. We are now riding through Letchworth State Park. Figure I'd let it record. Haven't been here in a long time, so let's get as much as we can. They charge us all $10 to get in the park. I'm not gonna complain about it. I'm having a good time. Good day. We're probably gonna end up parking alongside the road. Oh, I hope you guys can see that. And this is the Upper Falls. Alright, Letchworth State Park, the Upper Falls. Hanging out with the Victory Motorcycle Group of Western New York.
Recording.
Alright. That was Letchworth State Park. That was the Middle Falls, and that was, I want to say, the Upper Falls. Now we are on our way back, making our way out of the park. I'm going to let this play as we get out of the park. If you ever have a chance to go to, guys, I'm not sure if I'm saying this correctly, I'm sorry, I do apologize. Wiscoy Falls and or Letchworth State Park. Highly recommend it. It's awesome riding in the area. And then once you reach the park, you know, opportunities to get off the bike and walk around the hike, take some pictures. So highly recommend it. Definitely bring your walking shoes. This is another example where motorcycle boots are not made for walking. You know. Guys, I'm gonna end this video here. We got like another, I think 100, maybe 150 miles to get home. I'm not sure. Haven't been watching the GPS. I'm just out for the ride, to be true. So guys, until next time, I'll see you on the next one. As always, be careful out there and be safe. Take care of yourself. Peace.